Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError, NoneType object has no len. This error occurs when you try to get the length of an object that is none. In other words, you are treating a variable or object as if it were a list or string, but it has no value assigned to it. For example, let's say you have a function that returns a value, but under certain conditions, it returns none instead of the expected value. If you try to get the length of the returned value, you will get the type error, NoneType object has no len. Error. Here's an example code snippet that might produce this error. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. In this code, the get_length function returns the length of the sum_list parameter, but if the length of the list is 0 or less, it returns none. When we try to get the length of the list_length variable, which is the output of the get_length function, we get the type error, NoneType object has no len error, because list_length is none. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the variable you're trying to get the length of has a value that is compatible with the len function. In the above example, you can modify the get_length function to return 0 instead of none when the length of the list is 0 or less. This will ensure that the list_length variable has a value that can be passed to the len function without raising an error.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.